In this section, I will show you how to customize your cart and checkout if you want to. If you want to keep the default options, that's okay, they are totally fine. But on Dark.h, you will be able to customize your cart and checkout page and do whatever design you want. So this is what I will show you right now into this section. So let's go. Here we are on our store, and let's see first what our cart and checkout page look like by default. So we can go to the cart. So this is the default option for our cart. And for the checkout, here we are. So by default, they are fine. You can use them like this. But as we did a black website, it would be great to put them black. Also, we can do as much customization as we want. So we are going to do a few things here together. So the first thing is we have templates that are available for the cart and checkout page. So to access them, go first to your dashboard, then go to support. And here on the documentation website, you can go down, and here into customization, you have cart and checkout pages. Then here you will find two tutorials, one that will explain to you how to create and customize those pages. And then here, click on templates. On this tutorial, you will find how to install the templates, and below that, you will find the templates that are ready to use and you can just download and then upload on your store. So we have in total 5 templates for the cart and the checkout. So you can use the template that you like the best, that fits the best with your design. And the one that I will use for my store is the number 5, this one. Once you find the template that you want to use, you just click on download. Save it. Okay. Then unzip this file. And then your templates are into this folder. So you have the carts and the checkout. Then we go back to our dashboard and we go to the theme builder. Theme builder. And here you want to use the import option to import both templates. So we click here. Imports. You really want to untick the 2 options here. And then select your file. And then click on import. So now we have our cart page and we do the exact same thing to import the checkout. Okay, perfect. Now we can save. And now if we go to our store and the carts, now we have the new template for the cart page and for the checkout as well. Okay, here we go. So now we just need to customize our pages to fit the design. So let's start with the cart page first. Let's go back to the theme builder. First thing is we can add the global header and global footer. Let's save. And then we can customize the body of the page. Okay, perfect. Here we don't need to do a lot of modification. I think it's already great. The only thing that I will do is I will add the black background and then put every text into white. But I think that's kinda it. We can keep this design. It's pretty nice. So let's go, let's do it. Let's first start with the black background, then let's put every text in white. Okay, so this module, the post module, is a dynamic module. It will display the title of the page. So as the title of this page is cart, then it will display carts. Okay, so we can save, then we can keep going. Okay. Then the button here. We want to use the exact same design everywhere. Looks good. And then the last part here. And the button below. Okay, let's save and let's see what we have. Now let's refresh our page. Okay, great. So now we have our new cart page that fits much better with our design. To make it better, we can go to design and then table header and change the background to white and the text to black. It will be nicer this way. Okay, great. Then there is plenty of options that you can change if you want. And then into content, you can as well remove some elements if you want. Then you can add as many modules as you want. Around that, you can add some shipping information, you can add some icons or other text. That it's really up to you. You have like the whole library of modules available here if you want. But for now, for the store, I think this is great. Let's check quickly how our page looks like on the different screen. So tablet first. Okay, the coupon filled with here should be full width, it would be better. And on mobile, it's great. Okay, so we only have, it is great. So, okay, we only have the coupon field to fix. So let's go back. And for doing that, just go back to our help website. And then in the search, look for CSS. Then here, go to CSS snippet. And scroll down and go to cart page. And here you will find a little CSS snippet to make the coupon field full width on tablet. So just copy, go back to the theme builder, and then open the page settings, then advanced, custom CSS, and paste it here. Now, okay, it's perfect. So we can close, desktop view, and then we can save. And then when we refresh our page, and now this is what we have on our store. So perfect. I think we can keep that for our cart page. And now we'll go to the checkout. We are going to customize the checkout pretty much the same way. So let's go back to the theme builder. Let's close this one and then put global header and footer on our checkout page. Save, edit the custom body. Then on the checkout page, first of all, every element is its own module. So this is checkout billing, this is checkout information, checkout details, and checkout payment. So which means you can move around the module wherever you want on your page. So you have a lot of flexibility for design. This is pretty cool. And then you can also add any module that you want. Okay, so you can redesign the checkout page that you want. And if you type Woot checkout, you can see every modules that are related to the checkout. So we already have all of them on our page except Woot checkout shipping, which add an option if you want to ship to a different address. So this is useful in case the billing details and the shipping details are different, but for us, this is good. We can leave it like this, and I will just customize this to add the black background and every text in white to fit our design again. Let's go. Okay, great. Now let's check how it looks like on the different screens. Tablet first. We have the billing details, additional information, order, and then we can place an order. Okay, and then on mobile, it looks the same. So, okay, perfect. Let's save. Now let's see what our page looks like. Let's go to the checkout. And here we go. Now we have our checkout page that looks pretty good and that is completely customized to our store. So this is perfect. Then here we don't have any available payment methods, and we also don't have any shipping methods, which is normal because we did not configure them yet. This is something that we will do later into this course in a dedicated section. So I think for now that's good. And this was how you can customize your cart and checkout page. Once again, you can do as much customization as you want. It's really up to you. And let's go to the next section.